G'day guys, well it's a beautiful day and this video is going to be spinnerbait in the Wimmera River just out of Horsham using some Australian made spinnerbaits made by Simon Dillon at Geelong. They're called Nomis spinnerbaits. They look really good. I usually come down the river, have a quick flick every now and then, so I never stay for long, so this video will just mostly made up of just the little sessions I have and I'll just join them all together. Sometimes I only go fishing for 5 or 10 minutes, sometimes I go for a bit longer, so we'll give it a try for half an hour or so to start with, but we'll see what we can do. Try to get some yellowbelly on these really nice homemade spinnerbaits. Let's get into it. Here we are down the Wimmera River right in the middle of town, just having a quick flick after work. Told the missus I'll be home a little bit late. Just going to cast this Nomis spinnerbait around. I've been getting a lot of little redfin lately, but getting a few yellowbelly, but no big ones. Hopefully get a big one tonight. See what happens. Just walk the banks, cast the spinnerbaits around. No live technology. A lot of blokes are using live scope and stuff in the river at the moment, but it's not for everyone. I prefer just to hunt them out. There's something special about catching them, just hunt them out without the live scope. See what happens. Got him. Still on. Got me on a log there and I thought I was snagged. Here's a nice reddy. Beautiful. I thought it was a yeller. Here's a beautiful reddy. Slammed it. Beautiful. Live action. So you don't need the live scope, just hunt them down. So much more fun. So you just get a shock when you catch one and you don't know it's going to happen. Good fun. Good reddy too. Been a lot of reddies about in the river this year. Got him. Oh, it's a Murray cod. Murray cod. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful little Murray cod. Just got a Murray cod. Murray cod? Yeah. Wow. I'm not joking. He's tiny, but he's beauty. What a beautiful little fish. Right, we got the photos. Special little fish. Beauty, isn't he? Yep. Nice one. Got him. It's a nice fish. He nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. Got him. We got one. What a nice fish he is. Beautiful. Good fighter. And he got tangled up in it and I got him pretty easy. Awesome stuff. That's a really good start today. Really nice yellowbelly. Happy with that one. Let's pop him back. Beautiful. Catch another one. He's sitting right in those shallows there. About 2 foot out from the bank. Just feeding on bait fish. I've seen a bit of movement there. Had a flick and got him. Beautiful. Him. He's a nice reddy. Beautiful. Look at him. He followed it, so I just sat it there and he just nailed it. Beautiful reddy. What a reddy. Beautiful. Nailed it. It's a fat one. I reckon it's still got eggs. I'll pop him back. Beautiful. Get that one. Nice, oh, beautiful yellow. Here he comes, beautiful. What a nice fish that is. Look at him. Oh, what a ripper. Absolutely nailed it. Beautiful. Happy with that one. What a nice fish. What a beautiful yellow. Happy with him. Alright, let's pop him back. Beautiful fish. Off he goes. Happy days. Get him. Yeah. What do we got? Ready? Nice ready. Here's a good ready. Beautiful. I love that purple one. Beautiful. Nice fish. Get another one. Good night for it. Beautiful night for it. Really good conditions right now. It's stormy. Barometer's dropping super quick. They yellowbelly love it when it's like this. Should be able to catch one, I reckon. Give it a crack. Purple's a really good colour in the river here. The yellows love purple. Got him. What have we got? Little yellow. Ready. Yeah, good. That's a good ready. Beautiful. What a nice fish. It felt a bit bigger, so I thought it was a yellow, but beautiful. Nailed it. Awesome. I love that purple spinnerbait. Try to get a yellow now. Here's a nice fish. What is that, a yellow? Ready. It's sitting right in that undercut. Beautiful. Nice one. Nice little ready. Sitting right in that undercut bank there. Unreal. Beautiful. Let's get that one. Got him. What do you got? A little ready. You're not too little. Nice ready. Beautiful. I was just about to lift it out of the water and he grabbed it. Cool. It's a nice looking ready actually. Lots of reddies about in the river this year. Oh yeah, nice fish. What a ripper. Here's a good one. Yeah, good fish. Prime time. You always get them just before dark. Here he comes. Good fish. Oh, where is he? He's Big fish. And you just see him. It's a nice fish. Can't get him in, it's so big. Got him. Beautiful yellow. Very nice. What a ripper. Beautiful fish. Look at that one. Beautiful. Down the Wimmera River. Awesome. It's a beautiful yellow belly. What a good night. I'll pop him back. What a beautiful yellow. Right on prime time. You always catch them just before dark. Anyway, let's pop him back. Beautiful. A nice fish. Beautiful. Time to go home. We'll get one more. There you go, spinnerbait in the Wimmera River, right in town at Horsham. Put a few sessions together, like before work, lunch breaks and after work. Sometimes I only go for 10 minutes, sometimes I go for a bit longer, but got a few fish together. I really like using the Nomis spinnerbaits. The Nomis spinnerbaits caught quite a few fish, but I ended up snagging all the small ones, so got a few fish on the spinwright ones as well. So they're both really good spinnerbaits. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.